of old paintings is a job for experts? Would this be number 1, resurrection, number 2, retrieval, number 3, restoration, or number 4, resumption? What is our choice? We are talking about paintings. Blank of old paintings is a job for experts. Ano ang akmang choice or akmang word? Is it resurrection of old paintings, retrieval of old paintings, restoration of old paintings, or resumption? Ang tumpak na choice, of course, here, number 39, last item tonight, is number 3. Okay, so paintings, movies, no, films, restoration po ang ating ginagamit. Resurrection, muling pagkabuhay, di ba? Pagbangon, muling pagkabuhay. Retrieval, usually ginagamit siya for files. Okay, files, computer files, retrieve the files. No? Resumption, ginagamit po siya sa klase, sa office, no? So programs, resumption. No? But for old paintings or films, movies, restoration could be or would be the better choice. Okay, so kunwari ito, restored classics ng sagip pelikula, mapapanood na rin sa Netflix. Okay, so this of course is from ABS-CBN and Netflix. No? So restored, restoration ang ating pong tumpak na choice.